Okay, so next up we have comments. In C Sharp and in many programming languages, we have um, a way to write notes to ourselves and other developers that the compiler will completely ignore. So for example, I can prove that the compiler ignores this because this is completely invalid C# code. It's ignored because this line starts off with 2 forward slashes, and everything between these 2 forward slashes and the end of the line will be ignored by the compiler. And notice how it gets highlighted green by Visual Studio. This is what's called a single line comment. So this is a single line comment. There's another form of comments that we can use in C#. Those are multi-line comments. Which, like their name suggests, are multiple lines. So the way that we define a multi-line comment is we just open up with a forward slash and an asterisk and end with an asterisk and a backslash. These intermediate asterisks are not actually required for a multi-line comment. In fact, I can remove them entirely and it's still a multi-line comment. Those other asterisks are just something that Visual Studio inserts for me because it makes it look nicer. But at the end of the day, this is what a multi-line comment is. It's delineated by these 2 symbols. So we'll talk about comments more later. For a beginner programmer, they are a great way to remind you of things that you may have forgotten about the language itself. So they're a good tool for people who are still learning the language to be reminded of how something works. But I'm sure before the 6 weeks is up, we'll have time to talk about
Oh yeah.
other things.
Continue.
Okay, so comments and stuff like that.